Hello, guys. Welcome to Psychology of Freedom. As you can see, this is a typing episode again. And ang itatype natin ngayon, si Nadine Lustre kasi ang nag-request niyan sina Chris Zamorio and Christine E. Angeles. So sa inyong dalawa, thank you so much for requesting this. So ito na yung request nyo, si Nadine Lustre. So again, ano yung sistema ang gagamitin natin? Siyempre, ito-track natin ano ba yung cognitive functions niya. FITE user ba siya or TIFE? SINE user ba siya or NISE? Interaction style niya, direct ba siya or informative? Responding ba siya or initiating? Movement ba siya or control? And then yung temperament niya, abstract ba siya or concrete? Affiliative or pragmatic? Systematic or interest-based? And then after natin makuha lahat ng information na yon, pupunta tayo dito sa type grade ng CS Joseph. And if figure out na natin, based sa information na nakuha natin, kung alin talaga yung personality niya out of the 16 types na nakalista dito. So, ayan. Let's start na with this video.
Well, I personally went through it. Honestly, I think I first experienced it when I was around
I personally went through it. That's direct. Walang paligoy-ligoy.
14 or 15. That's when I really started like getting panic attacks and anxiety kasi. So, growing up kasi I never really had anyone to tell me what it was. I didn't understand what it was back then. I just thought na like, I was acting up or nagiging OA lang ako or I was being emotional lang. I wanted to raise awareness and
I wanted to raise awareness. That's introverted intuition.
wanted to be open about my experience so that people know that it's a normal thing and that it really happens to every one of us.
For me naman,
Parang kind of may pagka-control. Kasi she takes her time when talking and hindi siya ganun ka-chaotic.
look in the mirror and say something nice to you. It's gonna be nice.
Also, I listen to feel good music. Like, there are a lot of songs that are very inspirational, motivational. It's more of just being super kind to yourself and understanding yourself.
Being super kind to yourself. I feel like that's an FETI statement kasi yung mga mababa yung FI sa cognition nila, sila yung don't really know their worth and doesn't really treat themselves kindly. Pero tignan pa natin and yung interaction niya again is mas more on parang control.
Sometimes it's good to feel it because we are human and we're made to have emotions and we're made to feel, diba? So it's also good to
We're made to have emotions, validating yung emotions ng mga tao, our emotions as human beings. I think that's more of extroverted feeling.
experience it and we learn a lot of things from it. Whatever it is that you go through, there's always a lesson at the end of that road. So, feel mo lang yung feels mo and then eventually when you're good, when you're done, you get up and then you just detach yourself from
Continue
it,
na.
let it go and continue.
Sabi niya, at the end of the day, there's always a lesson. So, mas focus siya. Di ba ang tanong sa kanya, how do you cope with something, something, ganyan. Hindi siya nag-focus dun sa journey. Mas nag-focus siya dun sa outcome, which is control.
Be good listeners. That's definitely one. Because someone out there like needs someone to talk to or needs someone to just rant to.
You could
Someone needs someone to listen to. Parang may pagka-affiliative.
I think at the end of it all, it's just really like be kind to yourself. If there's only like one thing talaga. Kasi kindness, parang for me, is the solution to everything.
Feel all of those emotions. Just go through it. There's no shortcut, there's no way around it. You were put here on earth to experience everything, and that's what you should do. Hey everyone!
So kung mako-compare niyo sila ni Yasi dito sa interview na 'to, si Yasi yung parang mas movement type, tapos siya very control. And it looks like direct and control, di ba? So check pa tayo ng iba pang interview.
I mean, all of them are interesting, but I'll just pick for my favorites. Ito naman, this is Well, this is the lotus flower. We got this done because yung lotus kasi, Doc, how a lotus flower, how it blooms,
Yeah.
or how it grows is it comes from the ground
Oh.
through the mud and
Oh.
then up through the water and then up to the surface. So that's what it means.
Oh, so
I mean,
that's you? Is
that's
that
the meaning
you?
of a lotus flower.
Does it say
So that's-
lotus signifies yourself? Do you
Yes,
say it
it's
out?
like going through all these challenges and all these hardships and eventually just finding the sun, finding the light.
Oh, that's
That is abstract. Abstract. And may pagkocontrol kasi outcome again. She's focused on the outcome, eventually finding the light, di ba?
So
And kind of, di ba, extroverted sensing. Because this is what happens sa lotus flower and how they grow, di ba?
and you did that last year. So did you feel that you found yourself last year?
I found a lot of myself last year.
I found a lot of myself last year, so that's abstract.
I'm not done. No one's done. No one's
Yes,
done.
yes, but at least, no?
Yes. This is I got this 1 year after my brother died
Oh,
on
yeah.
his
Oh.
death anniversary, first death anniversary. It says na kaya pakat nahihiwagaan. So it's the song that Hana by Abdul Down. So parang what I got from this line is parang innocence.
Oh.
Because it's like you're barefoot. So it's like parang walang kamuwang-wang, walang alam. Parang childlike.
Yeah.
And then you're amazed at everything that you see. It's like that.
Again, that is abstract.
That's
Wow.
what I got from it.
Wow.
So the rose, this is one of my first kasi I got two kaagad the first time I got
Really?
a tattoo.
How old were you when you
Survive.
had your first tattoo?
I was 25.
Okay.
No, 24, I think. Something like that.
And what made you parang decide to have?
I just wanted a tattoo.
Okay.
And
I just wanted the tattoo. That's introverted intuition, wants and desires.
I see tattoos as a work of art.
Okay.
As stories. Like every time I look at it, it's the story of a person
Yeah.
or whoever's tattoo it is, or story of the artist.
So this is a flower.
Abstract again.
This is a rose.
And why rose?
So I got the rose because favorite ko kasi rose before.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
I have a lot of favorite flowers. I love flowers. So and every time I look at it, it's like I'm giving myself a rose. So it's more
Okay.
on self-love because
Oh.
at that time I was like struggling.
Symbolism nung nung rose sa kanya is self-love. Again, abstract. For sure, she is an abstract, intuitive.
A lot on that department. So yun, so rose, para every time
Check pa tayo na iba pang interview.
Because it's something, like helping the environment or working for the environment is something that I've always wanted to do.
It's something that I've always wanted to do. Wants and desires, introverted intuition.
And I'm just happy that my family is getting bigger and I'm meeting more people who are like-minded and who have the same values as I do. So
The same values, awareness of other people's values, extroverted feeling.
that's really how it's all because of Chris.
Right.
I'm really hoping that someday everyone would be fully aware of what's really going on in the environment, because not everyone is aware. I mean, I understand that life is hard and the environment is kind of the last thing that people would want to worry about. It's really about
The last thing that people would want to worry about, that's kind of parang interest-based. What's in it for them? Kaya walang interest yung mga tao kasi nga hindi siya priority.
survival first. So it's really at the last of their list. So yeah, but I'm really hoping that it changes soon because Siargao is such a beautiful island, and I really do believe it when people say that there's magic on the island.
You also have been vocal about including environmental protection in the curriculum of our schools.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate a little bit for me?
I think it's good to start them young. You get what I mean? So that while they're still young, it could already be instilled in their heads that the environment is really important and there's no planet B, pretty much. Like this is the only planet that we have, and we really have to take care of it. It's just
We have to take care of our environment. this is the right thing to do, so that's affiliative.
Just because of personal experience, you know.
Right.
So it's really my parents who pushed me to do it, and I think because they saw that I had talent, or at least that I was very passionate with
I was very passionate, introverted intuition, and is all about passion.
performing or with showing, not showing off, but I guess showing my talent.
Sure.
So they really pushed me when I was young.
And at some point, you decided to use this talent as an actress and singer in the protection of the environment.
That's true, because I realized that, you know, I could speak to a lot of people. A lot of people listen to me. A lot of people look up to me when I post something about a simple.
So makikita nyo, kanina mas more on controlled siya. Pero ngayon, she is moving a lot. Sabi ko nga kanina, she is cognitive transitioning to a subconscious, maybe a subconscious area of her mind na movement type. So
Simple as, I guess, talking about a show, everyone responds. And so I realized that I should be using my influence to encourage and to give awareness, you know, to people
I should be using my influence. I should be doing the right thing. Affiliative.
about our environment, because it's something that's really, really important to me. And you know, every time I see news about the wildfires in Europe now, all of the
Correct.
trash, the river.
Ito yung na-observe niya sa environment. That's the extroverted sensing. Na-observe niya kung ano nangyayari, what is happening now. Diba?
Drying up. It really makes me sad because the earth or our planet has been taking care of us and we're not really taking care of it. So, you know, it makes me really
May pagka-interest base yon kasi it's not a win-win situation. It's a win-lose situation for the earth, di ba?
sad, but it's not yet too late.
So, sure na tayo sa temperament niya. Abstract siya, affiliative, and interest-based. So, ibig sabihin, she is an NF. An NF. So, let's see which one. Check pa tayo ng ibang interview.
Hi, Sawadi.
How are you?
Okay lang ako.
Mainit ba?
Yes, it's so hot.
It's
Kasi
so hot in
nandito
here.
ka.
Mainit ba? Nag-initiate siya doon. And then, kind of extroverted sensing. Kasi concerned siya sa comfort nung kasama niya, di ba?
Char. Pero yeah.
Meron akong questions for you kasi sobrang curious ako about sa content moderators, especially after po mapanood yung Cleaners na documentary. Yun kasi yung pinakaunang, I guess yung introduction ko with content moderators. I mean, I've heard about content moderators before, pero hindi ako ganun ka-informed. So, paano ka nakapasok bilang content moderator?
2019, actually kaka-resign ko lang dun sa previous company ko.
So ito, mapapansin nyo agad na yung kausap niya is a movement type. So makikita nyo naman, di ba, mako-compare nyo how a movement type is kind of parang mabilis, focus speed, and very chaotic, and move ng move. In comparison to her na very controlled, everything is under control, di ba? So, she's really a control type.
Sa BPO. Mga adult stuff, something that's not normal na nasa internet. So, ayun.
So how did you feel when they were asking you na, are you okay to see like, you know, yung mga videos na
How did you feel? That's more of an extroverted feeling question.
Did you feel weird?
I felt weird. Pero, ang iniisip ko kasi is really the money. I'm after the money, the income. Sabi ko, wow, okay to ah. It's $12.50 per hour.
So ano siya, international?
International. Cybersecurity.
Okay.
So, sabi niya, di ba, $12 per hour. So, si Nadine, parang wala siyang pake doon. Kasi that's TE. Kasi si Nadine is introverted thinker. So, TIFE.
Okay. Siguro, ano na lang yung effect sa'yo nung nakakita. Itong video na to, ito yung pinaka-traumatizing na video na nakita mo. Ano yung naging effect niya sa'yo? If you're comfortable.
Yeah, I'm comfortable naman. This is for
If you're comfortable being concerned sa comfort ng isang tao, 'di ba? Extroverted sensing doesn't want to make you uncomfortable, 'di ba?
Awareness din kasi
Yeah.
for people who wants to work as a content
It's not a
moderator.
fun job, guys. Like,
It's
you-
not.
Like, I,
It's not a fun job initiating. Nag-initiate siya doon.
I'm seeing tweets kasi and comments na parang sinasabi nila, this is my dream job, manhid na ako, like I want
Yeah.
to feel something. It's really not something that you know, you can
It's-
call a dream
yes.
job. I'm not a content moderator, but I can imagine the effects of seeing these harmful videos on your mental health.
Yeah.
Ako pa nga lang, yung mga videos sa Facebook na minsan nakakalampas, like yung mga minsan accidents or, you know, anything about animals. Yun pa lang, hindi ko na kaya. What more if it's something as dark and as violent as the ones that content moderators like usually see?
It really affected me.
So, parang mas people focus siya, affiliative. So, I think okay na to to determine kung ano talaga yung personality type niya. So, sabi natin, TIFE user siya and SENI user. So, isa lang siya sa mga NFJ or STP. And then yung interaction style niya, direct initiating control. She's one of the in-charge types. And then yung temperament niya is abstract, affiliative, and interest-based. So, tignan natin dito sa type grid. So, sabi natin, direct initiating control, yan yung nasa first row. So, tanggal na lahat ng mga nasa baba. So, sabi natin, NFJ, STP quadra siya. So, tanggal na yung ESTJ, tanggal na rin yung ENTJ. So, it's a battle between ESTP and ENFJ. Pero sabi natin, ano siya, abstract siya, hindi siya concrete, and hindi siya pragmatic. Mas affiliative siya. So, tanggal na yung ESTP. So, Nadine Lustre is an ENFJ, also known as the mentor. So, sino yung mga personality type niya? Di ba? Sino ba? Si Kelly Clarkson, Neil deGrasse Tyson, sino pa ba? Olivia Rodrigo. Kung sa Pilipinas naman, sino yun? Si Rafi Tulfo, ENFJ. So, ayan. Nadine Lustre is an ENFJ. So, sa mga nag-request, Chris Zamorio and Christine E. Angeles, thank you so much for requesting. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I will see you sa next video.